Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Are you happy? Are you happy for this online class? Okay, I hope you all are happy. Okay children, in the last class we have studied expanded form and expanded notation. Isn't it children? In the last class we have studied expanded form and expanded notation. Okay. Now let's look at the continuous of the previous class of these 4-digit numbers. In this class we will study greater than, less than or equal. Okay, greater than, less than or equal to. Okay children. What is the meaning for greater than? What is the meaning for greater than? Greater than means பெரியது, பெரியது. Okay, அதை விட இது பெரியது. Okay, greater than means அதை விட இது பெரியது. Okay, less than means, what is the meaning for less than? What is the meaning for less than? Children, are you listening? Okay. What is the meaning for less than? அதை விட இது சிறியது. இப்போ ரெண்டு பொருள் இல்ல ஏதாவது things or numbers or anything. If you are comparing means ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸோ ரெண்டு திங்ஸோ நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது அதை விட இது பெருசு, அதை விட இது சின்னது, இல்லை ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக தான் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கம்பேர் பண்ணுறது தான் கிரேட்டர் தேன், லெஸ் தேன் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், do you understand? Comparing of numbers. Okay, comparing of numbers we can use greater than, less than or equal. Okay, greater than means அதை விட இது பெரியது. Okay, less than means இதை விட அது சிறியது. Okay, is the smallest number. Equal to, both of them they get the same number of chocolates or something. Okay, total they have together the same values or same things or same chocolates or some things. Okay, something else. Today we have to study the greater than, less than or equal. Okay children. What is the meaning for greater than? Now only I said. What is the meaning for greater than? This one is greater than symbol. Okay, greater than symbol. G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater. T-H-A-N, greater than. Okay. What is this symbol? This is greater than symbol. G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater. T-H-A-N, than, greater than. Okay. Then less than. What is the spelling for less than? L-E-S-S-T-H-A-N, less than. Okay children, this is greater than symbol. What is the spelling for greater than? G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater. T-H-A-N, than, greater than. Okay children, then less than. What is the spelling for less than? L-E-S-S-T-H-A-N, than, less than. Okay, then another one option is equal to. Okay, what is this symbol? Equal to. What is the spelling for equal to? U-Q-U-A-L, equal. T-O-2, equal to. Okay, what is the spelling for equal to? E-Q-U-A-L, equal. T-O-2, equal to. Okay children, greater than means இதை விட அது பெரியது அப்படிங்கிறது மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒரு சிம்பிள். ஓகே, தென் லெஸ் தென் மீன்ஸ் இதை விட அது சிறியது. ஓகே, அதை விட இது சிறியது அப்படிங்கிறத மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற சிம்பிள் தான் லெஸ் தேன். தென் ஈக்குவல் மீன்ஸ் ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி தான் அப்படிங்கிறத மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது equal symbol. Okay children, do you understand? Can you hear my voice? I hope you have heard. Shall we start our class? Okay, this is one small intro. See here, this one, fifth one heading, yes, sixth one. Use, U-S-E, use, T-H-E-D, S-Y-M, B-O-L-S, symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay. Shall we read together? Read one by one. U-S-E, use. T-H-E-D, S-Y-M, B-O-L-S, symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay. If you are studying that, comparing of numbers means when we compare two or more numbers to find which is the smallest and which is the greatest. If you are comparing two or more numbers, ஒரு நம்பர் இல்லைனா அதை விட அதிகமான நம்பர் இருக்கும்போது நம்ம comparison of number which is smallest எது சின்னது, which is greatest எது பெருசு அப்படிங்கறத கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக we use greater than or less than sign. Okay. Then we all are familiar with their symbols. Let us now compare numbers. To compare numbers, always remember the following. Okay. First one, if two numbers have a different number of digits, they are given 2-digit number means two sets of number. Okay. Two sets of numbers means first of all you count how many digit number is it. Another one number, how many digit number is it. Okay. Then you find, then the number having more digit is always greater. Okay. Then the number having more digits is always greater. Okay children. One side is 4-digit number. Okay. Now you see, one side you have 4 number of chocolates. Okay. Number of chocolates 4. Okay. Left hand. Okay. See the left hand. You have 4 number of chocolates. Then see the right hand. You have 6 number of chocolates. Okay. How many chocolates? 6 chocolate. Which hand do you have more chocolates? Which hand do you have more number of chocolate? In the right side. Yes. Yes, 6. And that side is 4. Which one is the greatest number? 6. Okay. So we have to use which symbol? Less than. Okay. 4 is less than 6. Okay. Then any 4-digit number or 3-digit number, they are given. Any 4-digit numbers or 3-digit number means you have to use verified, very easy. Okay. See here, 84. What is this number? 484. Okay. Then what is this number? 8672. Is that no children? Yes. This is how many digit number? 3-digit number. Okay. This is how many digit number? 3-digit number. 484. Okay. This is how many digit number? 4-digit number. This is 3-digit number. This one is 4-digit number. Is that no children? Yes. Okay. 3-digit number is the biggest number or 4-digit number is the biggest number? You have already studied. Yes. 3-digit number starts from 100. 4-digit number starts from 1000 because it has less value, but 1000 has more values. Is that no children? Yes. Okay. So 4-digit number is the greatest number. So you want to use less than. Okay. How do you read this one? 484 is less than 8672. Okay. 484 is less than 8672. Okay, children. See here. You see this set of numbers. Okay. See this set of numbers. How many? 3 digits. Yes. This is left side. This one is right side. Okay. The left side number is a greatest number. Left side is a greatest number. Okay. The left side number greater number and we have to use greater than symbol. Okay. We have to use the greater than symbol. Okay. We have to use the greater than symbol. Okay. Then the right side number. This is right. This one left. This one right. Yes. This right side number is the greatest number. Means we have to use the less than symbol. Okay. This one. Okay. Left side number is a greater number. Means we have to use greater than symbol. Right side number is the biggest number. Means we have to use the less than symbol. Okay, children. Then the second rule. If two numbers have the same number of digits. Okay, wow. Now first example 3 digits. There is it 4 digit. Yes. இப்போ ரெண்டுமே சேம் டிஜிட், இங்கேயும் 4 digit அங்கேயும் 4 digitனா எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறது? If two numbers have the same number of digits, then we start comparing the digits from the left according to their places. Okay, places வச்சு எது biggest number எது smallest numberன்னு நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடலாம், கால்குலேட் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay children, see here 7. Okay, see here, now here 4 digit number. Yes, 4867, 4321. Is that no children? Yes. Okay, first of all you see the first digit number 4, here also 4. Okay, same value, so no need. Next you calculate the next digit number. Okay, see here first 4 and 4 are equal, then we will see the next one 100 place. How many 100? 800. Here how many 100? 300. 800 is a greater number or 300 is a greater number? 800 is a greater number. Okay, so which one is greater than? First, left side number is the biggest number, so we have to use greater than. How do you read this one? 4867 is greater than 4321. Okay, 4867 ஆனது 4321 விட பெரியது. Okay children? Okay. When two numbers are equal, we have to use the equal symbol. Okay, the two numbers are equal means we have to use the equal symbol. Okay children, now see the next one. Okay, now we come to the lesson. First one 76. What is this number? What is this number children? 76, and another one is 67. Is that no? Yes, one is 76 and another one side is 67. Which one is the greatest number? See the first one 76, 7. The number starts from 7. Okay, see the first digit here 67. 7 is the greater number or 6 is the greatest number? 7. Okay, 76, 67. Which one is greater than? 76. So we have to use the greater than symbol. This one is the greatest number. Yes, so we have to use greater than symbol. How do you read this one? 76 is greater than 67. Okay, 76 is greater than 67. Okay children, then come to the next one. Now see here, what is this number? What is this number? This is first of all 3-digit number. Yes, how many digit number? 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number starts from 100. Is that no, children? Yes. Okay, how many 100 is here? 800. How do you read this one? 844. Okay, 844. Okay, then see here, how many digit number is this? 4-digit number. Is that no? Yes. How many digit number? 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit number starts from 1000. 4-digit number starts from 1000. Okay, how do you read this one? 9246. Okay, 9246. Okay, which one is the greatest number? Here 3-digit number, here 4-digit number. Okay, if you compare these two numbers, means 4-digit number is a greatest number. Okay, 4-digit number is a greatest number. Which symbol do you want to use here? Less than. Okay, left side number is a, right side number is a biggest number. So we have to use less than symbol. Okay, children. Then see the third one. 154. 154. Okay, what is this number? 154. This one 154. The same sets of numbers. Yes, these two numbers are equal. So we use the symbol for equal. 154 is equal to 154. Okay, children. Then the fourth one. 6872. 300. Okay, this is how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number. This one how many digit number? 3-digit number. If you are comparing the digits, means 3-digit number is a greater number or 4-digit number is a greatest number? 4-digit number. Okay, the left side number is a greatest number. So we have to use the simple form greater than. Okay, how do you read this one? How do you read this one? 6872 is greater than 300. Okay, 6872 is greater than 300. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, see the fifth one. 3180. 3810. Okay, this is how many digit number? 4-digit number. This is how many digit number, children? 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit number stands from 1000. Okay, how many thousand is here? How many thousand is here? 3000. Okay, 3000. How many hundred is here? 100. See the first number. Okay, left side number. How do you read this number? How do you read this number? 3180. Okay, 3180. Then see the next one. See the right side of the number. Okay, read that one. 3810. Is that no, children? 3810. Which one is the greatest number? Which one is the greatest number? 3100 or 3800? See here, the first digit number is same. Yes, here also 3000, there 3000. Then you see the 100 digit. Okay, here 100, here 800. Okay, 100 is the biggest number or 800 is the biggest number? 800. Okay, so we have to use which one? Which symbol? Less than. Okay, the right side number is the biggest number. Yes, so we have to use the less than symbol. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, I hope you have understood. Now all of you take your max class work note. All of you take your max class work note. All of you take your max class work note with your stationary things, that means pencil, razor, sharpener. Is your pencil sharp? Your pencil is not sharp means first of all of you sharp your pencil, then you start to write. Okay children? Write what is on the board, see the board and write carefully. Okay? Have you taken? Okay, I hope you have taken the note, max note. First of all of you should write today's day and date. You have to write today's day and date before the margin line. First of all of you write today's day and date before the margin line. Then you start to write USE. Use the symbols greater than, less than or equal. Write neatly without any one mistake. Okay? Copy the classwork from the board. Copy the classwork from the board. Use only a pencil to write. Okay children? Use only a pencil to write. I hope you finish your homework on the given day. Is that no children? Is that no? Yes. Okay. I hope you have completed the yesterday homework. Shall I believe you? Okay. Shall we start? Okay, start to write. Write beautifully without any one mistake. In the mistake illama correct and neat alaha write panne. See the board and write properly. USE use. USE use. THED. THED. SYM. BOLS symbols. SYM BOLS symbols. Greater than, less than or equal to, equal to. Use the symbols use the symbols use the symbols greater than, less than or equal to. See the first one. 76. First one, 76, one small dash, then 67. 76, 67. Which one is the greatest number? 76 is a greatest number, so we have to use the greater than symbol. So we have to use the greater than symbol. 76 is greater than 67. 76 is greater than 67. Then leave one finger space. Leave one finger space and write the second one. 844. 844. Small dash. Then 9246. 9246. Nine thousand 246. Which one is the greatest number? One side is 3-digit number and one side is 4-digit number. 4-digit number is a greatest number for comparing 3-digit number. So the right side number is the greatest number. So we have to use the less than symbol. 844. 844 is less than 9246. 844 is less than 9246. Then you see the third one. 154. 154. Then another one side is the same 154. Yes, left side is the same number, right side also same number. 3-digit number 154. You have to use the symbol for equal to. 154 is equal to 154. See the fourth one. Leave one finger space and try start fourth one, okay? 6872. 6872. The right side number is 300. The right side number is 300. Which one is the greatest number? 3-digit number or 4-digit number? 4-digit number is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for greater than. Greater than, okay? See the first one. 6872 is greater than 300. Is greater than 300. $6,872 is greater than 300. Then you leave one finger space and write the fifth one. Children, can you hear my voice? Okay. So the fifth one, 3180. 3180. Then one small dash. 3810. 3810. Which one is the greatest number? The both of the sides they have It has 4-digit numbers. Yes or no, children? Yes. 3,000, one side is, left side is 3,180 and right side is 3,810. Is or no? Yes, okay. So we have to use right side number is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for less than. 3,180. Okay, what is this number? 3,180 is less than 3,810. 3,180 is less than 3,810. Have you written, children? I hope you have completed the classwork. Now all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 8. Take book page number 8. Have you taken, children? Have you taken, children? All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 8. See the 7th one heading. USEUs. USEUs. THED. SYMBOLS symbols. Use the symbols greater than or less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. CORRECTLY. Correctly. Use the symbols greater than. First one is less than, yes? Okay. Use the symbols less than, greater than or equal to correctly. The heading beside, you should write today's day and date. Homework, okay? Today's homework. Take book page number 8. See the 7th one heading. You should write today's day and date, homework. Okay, see the first one, 61, yes, A, 61. And the B, and the another one side is 16, yes. Which one is the greatest number? 61 is the greatest number. Left side number is the greatest number. So we have to use the greater than symbol. Okay, 61 is greater than 16. Okay. From A to O questions. Today homework. Okay, children. A to O questions is today homework. I hope you have completed the homework in the given day. Is that no, children? You should do. Okay. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.